Next example, what is the smallest number that must be added to 500 so that the resulting number is completely divisible by 7? First, consider the given number 500 and divide it with 7 and get the remainder. 7 times is giving 49 and 7 one time is giving you the remainder 3. Here we have to find out a number that must be added to this 500 such that the resultant number is exactly divisible by 7. That is simple. Let us take your divisor value and subtract your remainder from that. And whatever the value we are getting, add that value to your number. Okay, here in this case, that value is 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. So 500 plus 4 is the value which is exactly divisible by 7. If I divide this number with 7, it gives 72. Next example, what is the smallest number that must be subtracted from 500 so that the resulting number is completely divisible by 7? In fact, this is an extension to your previous question. We need to find out the smallest number that must be subtracted from 500 such that the resulting number would be completely divisible by 7. The answer is direct. Whatever the remainder that we obtained, it is the value that is to be subtracted from the given number. So the answer is 3, and on subtracting your remainder value from 500, we are getting 497. This number is exactly divisible by 7.